Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. If you have an older style truck or car that doesn't have the new CarPlay already inside your system, you can buy an aftermarket screen that has CarPlay in it. So everything is mirrored from your phone to the screen. So your navigation, your phone calls, your text messages, everything that's on your phone appears on this screen. This is a portable screen with CarPlay from Fahren. As you can see from the box, it's got map navigation, auxiliary, CarPlay, loop recording, FM radio, AirPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth. When it says loop recording, it means that this is also a dash cam. It's got a camera on it with the capability of also attaching a rear-facing camera too. And all of it's recorded on an included 64 gigabyte SD or TF card. Let's open up the box. And here's the back of it. Has a camera that can raise high, and you can turn it up, down, left, and right for adjustments. Self-adhesive platform that you can place this and stick it on your dash. And here's your screen that you can also touch. Also in the box is your cigarette lighter power source that connects to a USB-C. Connect that right into your screen, and that's your power. If you don't want to stick it on your dashboard, you have the optional suction cup arm for your inner windshield, and that clips right on in place of where the stand is. You've got some auxiliary cables that you can connect other devices to it. And this is the rear camera that you can connect to the back windshield so that you can also record what's going on in the back of your car. A true dash cam, also CarPlay, and a 10-inch screen. And also the user manual for instructions. So I've just wired the wiring through there. And I have another camera that I have already had there. It fits into this one, but you guys can use the reverse one because I already have one in the rear similar to that. So when you turn on the power, the Fahren 10-inch screen shows you that display. Makes you a ding. TF card is loading. It has a 64 gigabyte already included. We'll press the check mark, and there you go. It is Wednesday, August 20th, and it is 1:06 p.m. Oh, we have to adjust that to p.m. The settings, system, date and time, switch AM to PM, confirm. Ooh, look at that. So this is a split screen, right? You've got the front view from this camera here, right there. And you have this camera here that's showing me driving. That's cool. You can switch it. That's locking. Ah, slide it, see? So now you slide it, and it's in 4K, and it's showing just the front, showing just me from this camera. Split screen, front and back. That's cool. Home. Wi-Fi video, audio output, playback, your settings, AirPlay, Android Auto, CarPlay, Superlink. You just follow the directions to sync your phone, which I'm going to do now. After syncing the Bluetooth to my phone, as you can see, now my phone's navigation is right here. And this is my house, right there. And as you can see, it's touch screen. You can move the navigation around. So basically this is a mirror image of your cell phone. See, LTE, battery life, your navigation, your news, your phone, everything's right here. Press down here for your icons. You have your text messages, maps, phone, news, calendar, settings, just like your cell phone is expanded onto this 10-inch screen in your car. Camera format 1080p. Record resolution 1080p. If you use higher resolution, you're going to use up more of your card. Segment duration 1 minute. It's good enough for me. Collision sensitivity, middle, it's fine. These are all defaults. Microphone, yeah, I'll record everything. You can adjust the channels if you want multiple devices, and also the orientation in case you wanted this upside down or to the side or something, you would switch these around. Reverse lines for the rear reverse camera. I don't need that right now. In the system, language, tip sound, date and time, storage information. We don't need the format, we don't need the factory, we don't need the firmware right now. That is wild. When you're in the camera mode, you could also take a picture of whatever's in the back or in the front. Right here. Snapshot, taking photo, boom. So now that I've installed it correctly and we know it works well, I can pull this off. And there's another piece of film covering the lens here. Now I'm going to permanently mount it. This is very sticky, so I wanted to test fit it first. There, now it's permanently mounted. How's that look, fellas? Does that look great? It's perfectly 10 inches, so it matches my entire console there. Now when you hop into your car, your phone automatically syncs to your CarPlay and the Fahren 10-inch screen, and everything on your phone is automatically on the screen. So if you have an older car like I do, and you don't have the modern functions of automatic CarPlay in your car with a nice big screen and a dash cam that always records what's going on in the front and the back, maybe it's time that you picked up one of these Fahren 10.2-inch CarPlay portable screens. Really makes life a lot easier for you. If you guys would like something like this, I'll leave a link in the description. Go check it out yourself. Thanks a lot for joining me on another weekend product review. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so I can continue to bring you cool things like this. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.